Hello everybody, this is S.Shanmugavalli, Assistant Professor from KCS Kastanara College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about operators in PHP. Operators. Operators are special symbols used to perform operations on variables and values. In PHP, we have several operators like arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, increment decrement operator, logical operator, string operator, array operators, and conditional assignment operators. Now let us see in detail about these operators. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponentiation, and modulus. Assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. These operators allows you to assign a value and perform operations in a single step. So we have equal to assignment operator. So we have a plus equal, that is add and then assign, minus equal to, that is subtract and then assign, asterisk equal to will multiply and then assign, and then division equal to will divide and then assign. Comparison operators. Comparison operators are used to compare two values and return a Boolean result. That is, it returns either true or false. The first one is equal to. It returns true if both the operands are equal. Not equal to. It returns true if both the operands are not equal. And next one is not equal to. So it returns true if both the operands are unequal. Identical. So it returns true if both the operands are equal and are of the same data type. Not identical. So it returns true if both the operands are unequal and are of different types. Less than. It returns true if x is less than y. Greater than. It returns true if x is greater than y. Similarly, we have less than or equal to and greater than or equal to. Increment or decrement operators. These operators are called unary operators as they work on single operands. These are used to increment or decrement values. So first one is pre-increment. So it first increment x by 1 and then return x. Pre-decrement. So it first decrement x by 1 and then return x. Post-increment. It first returns x, then increment it by 1. Post-decrement. First returns x, then decremented it by 1. Logical operators. Logical operators are used to operate with conditional statements. These operators evaluate conditions and then return a Boolean result, that is either true or false. So the logical operators which we have are AND, OR, XOR, and logical NOT. String operators. String operator is used for the concatenation of two or more strings using the concatenation operator dot. So dot is used for concatenation in string. We can also use the assignment operator, that is dot equal to append the argument on the right side to the argument on the left side. Thank you for watching this video.